haven't attended any other VR experiences before, and it really opened my eyes.
For a short animation, it's very impactful. This was actually a really positive story, and I actually nearly cried in my headset.
As soon as it started, like, it just had my attention. It feels kind of like realistic, like I'm actually there.
I got to take in art and creativity through a different medium. It's very immersive, because when I first started, I just heard voices and I was like, who's speaking? I would recommend it.
I think a lot of people can be anti-technology when it comes to arts and expression, but I've seen a lot of people who've turned around and said VR experiences have shown them a different perspective.
If it was a movie, I could watch the whole thing start to finish and like have my attention the whole time. 100% sit longer, 100%.
I'd definitely come back to do another one. I would suggest to everyone just to have a go.